Hello! In this video, I will show you how to book an appointment with BookingPress. To start booking appointments in BookingPress, you first need to configure the settings and enable the necessary add-ons and modules based on your requirements. Alright, let's begin. Start by selecting the service category and the service you want to book. Once the service is selected, choose the staff member. After selecting the staff member, choose the appointment date and available time slot. On the basic details page, enter the required customer information and then click the summary button. This is the summary page, where you can view the details of the appointment you selected. Now, select the payment method and click the Book Appointment button. See, your appointment has been booked successfully. Now go to the backend side appointments page. This is the Manage Appointments page where you can see all appointment related records. Expand the first record to view more appointment details. Now open the Payments page. This is the Manage Payments page, where you can view all payment related records. See, the first record belongs to the newly booked appointment. To view more payment details.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.